Beyond Meat pricing at $25 a share at the top of its already boosted range, making it another unicorn to test the public waters. The company does face some stiff competition from the likes of Impossible Foods and even big food companies like Tyson. They're all going after the $1.3 trillion global meat industry. Beyond Meat's biggest current competitor is another plant-based company, Impossible Foods, valued at just below $1 billion, according to PitchBook. Its Impossible Burger is in 7,200 restaurants in the U.S. and Asia. That includes a small number of Burger King restaurants where you'll soon see it roll out nationwide. The Impossible Burgers also in Qdoba, White Castle, and Red Robin, and the company says it's been tough meeting demand. Beyond Meat's products are at major retailers from Kroger to Whole Foods, Carl's Jr., and Del Taco, among others. Now, one risk factor for Beyond Meat, down the road, the company could face even more competition from former investor Tyson Foods. Tyson sold its stake in Beyond Meat after announcing it will be creating its own plant-based protein products. There's also Memphis Meats, whose investors include Tyson and Cargill, and it's working on creating meat products based on starter animal cells cultured in a lab. As for Beyond Meat, we'll see if investor appetite will hold. Back to you guys.
We certainly will, Aditi, as we await those first trades really any moment here. Aditi Roy, thank you. Let's head over to the Nasdaq now, and Frank Holland, who is tracking the activity ahead of those trades for Beyond Meat's IPO. Frank.
Hey, good morning, Morgan. You know, speaking of investor appetite, so far we've already had development here at the Nasdaq. The indicative price of this Beyond Meat IPO, it's already started off at $41.10, and about 1.6 million shares have been paired. Now, you have to remember, this was initially priced at $25, already on the high end of the range, and about 9.6 million shares have been made available. I just spoke to the Nasdaq head of IPOs a short time ago. He said he's just waiting on the lead underwriter, Goldman Sachs, to give him the word to allow this stock to be traded. It became eligible to be traded at about 10:45 this morning. Right now, we're just holding off, waiting on that call from Goldman Sachs. I also spoke to the CEO a short time ago. I know you guys are speaking to him. He's over there, one of the tallest people in the group. He says his dream was to always be drafted into the NBA. Obviously, that didn't happen. But he says he feels like his stock is being drafted, and the higher this price goes, the higher draft pick it essentially is. You know, a lot of excitement about this IPO for the company. The shares of the plant-based meat producer, again, priced at $25, but the indicative price now at $41.10. And sales of plant-based meat, they're becoming obviously more mainstream. Aditi just spoke about it a short time ago. Beyond Meat's available at about 17,000 different retail locations, also different restaurants like Carl's Jr. and TGI Friday. So many more people are becoming interested in plant-based meat. In the first quarter of this year, Beyond saw sales triple year over year. However, this company still has yet to turn a profit. But as I mentioned, a lot of investor excitement. The indicative price right now at $41.10, 1.6 million shares paired. And we'll continue to watch what's going on here.